Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to enable dark mode in Facebook. Friends, if you want to enable dark mode in Facebook app on your mobile phone, then you simply need to open your Facebook app. In your Facebook app, press on these three lines. Now here you need to press on this setting icon. Now scroll it little down and here you will find dark mode. Press on it. Now here you need to select on. Now friends, as you can see, now dark mode is enabled on our Facebook app. So friends, like this you can very easily enable dark mode in Facebook. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.